How to delete your account in Duolingo. Sadly, there is no option to delete your account in the Duolingo app. So, to get started, you first have to open up any web browser that you'd like, and then go to duolingo.com. Then tap on I already have an account and sign in to the Duolingo account that you want to delete. After signing into your Duolingo account, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on a gear icon in the top right corner. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way down, and as you can see here, the red option to delete my account. So I'm gonna press this,